Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we will show you how to create an RSVP form using FormGent on WordPress. An RSVP form, which stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît, or Please Respond, is essential for confirming attendance, collecting guest details, and assisting in planning events such as weddings, parties, conferences, or meetings. Let's get started. An RSVP form is not just any form. It collects crucial information like guest names, attendance responses, number of guests, meal preferences, special requests, and contact details. This data helps you plan everything from seating and catering to overall event logistics. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for FormGent. Click Install Now, and then Activate to enable the plugin. Next, click the FormGent icon and select All Forms, then Create New. You have two choices: start from scratch or let FormGent's AI do the work. For this tutorial, we'll use Create with AI to build our RSVP form quickly. This will provide us with two additional options. Let's choose AI Classic Form based on our form requirements. In the prompt box, enter a brief description like create an RSVP form for an upcoming event, including fields for guest name, attendance, yes, no, maybe, number of guests, meal preferences, special requests, and contact information. Then click Generate Form. FormGent's AI will quickly build a fully functional RSVP form. Once your form is generated, review and customize it. You can add or remove fields and adjust labels, placeholders, and validation rules. Ensure your form includes all the essential fields for an RSVP form. Enhance your form's design by clicking on Design and Share. Enable a cover image or choose a solid or gradient color. Upload your logo and update the form title to Event RSVP Form. Adjust the layout to ensure it looks perfect on all devices. Now that your form is ready, click Publish to make it live. Choose your visibility settings, public, private, or scheduled, and get your unique form URL or shortcode. You can embed this on any WordPress page or post for seamless integration. Plus, all guest responses will be stored in the Entries section, where you can view and manage them easily. That's how you create a professional RSVP form using FormGent. Whether you're organizing a wedding, conference, or party, an effective RSVP form is essential for managing your event successfully. For more details and a complete walkthrough, please click the link in the description to read the full article. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tutorials. Thank you for watching.